Hey guys, so let's discuss a new problem from recursion and backtracking, which is find the permutation of a given string. So you would have given one string, let's say ABC, and you need to find its all permutations. Permutation means how many types how many ways you can arrange this string. So for example, ABC you can arrange, then swap this A with B, so it will be BAC, okay, second B with C, so ACB and something like that. So you can always find factorial and permutation of a given string, where n is the number of character in a string. Factorial n means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 dot 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 till 1. Okay, so let's see how we will find the permutation of a given string. So the string is given to you is like ABC. Okay, okay, so you have ABC, so it is very simple. Okay, you will have so for example, ABC is your string. Okay, so on level 1, level 0, what you will do, you will swap with 0 with let's start with 0. So you will swap 0 with 0th element, with first element, and with second element. Okay, so when you swap 0 with 0, so this is your ABC. Okay, so the indexes will be 0 1 2. Okay, when I say that you swap 0 with 0, means A will get swapped with A, so what will be your new string? ABC, right? And then when I say 0 will get swapped with one first element, so it will be BAC. A gets swapped with B, B with C, B with A. Same for C. So for C it will be CBA. Okay, and similarly in the second level you will swap. Now 0 is done, right? So this is 0 1 2, you swap 0 with 1 and 0 with 2. Now it's time for first you did level plus plus, so you will swap 1 with 1 and 1 with 2. Okay, and 0 with 0 also you did, and in next level you will swap 2 with 2. Okay, so 3 level will be there. So if I say that 1 will get swapped with 1 and 1 with 2, 1 with 1, 1 with 2, 1 with 1, 1 with 2, and then so this one you will have the 6 strings. Okay, and now level 2, 2 will get swapped with 2, so it will be similar. So at the leaf of this tree you will find your all the required permutations. And how you will do it in code, it is very simple. Okay, because I said that this is the recursion and backtracking problem. So the base condition will be if your index reached to array length. Okay, so array length was 3 and your index reached to 3, that time you will just print all the array. Okay, and then you start I with index, okay, till array length, like we started from 0 to 2, right? And then you swap the element. Okay, means A will get swapped with B, B will get swapped with A. After that you call this function again with index plus 1. Okay, first we started with 0, we swap 0 with everything, and then first we haven't went back. Okay, so 1 with 2, 1 with 1, 1 with 2, and then 2 with 2, that's it. Okay, and then backtracking again, when you want to go to back, so you will just use index instead of index plus 1. Okay, so swap it again back to that index. So that's it.